In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and make sure you're on the main workspace screen. Once you're there, look to the upper left corner and click on your workspace avatar. This is where you'll find access to important settings and tools related to your workspace, including integrations. After clicking the avatar, select Apps to open the App Center. The App Center is where ClickUp organizes its available connections. So this is the place you'll go whenever you want to link ClickUp with another tool or service. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to look through the menu carefully. Once the App Center is open, use the search bar to look for Gmail. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the correct integration, especially if you have a lot of app options displayed. Be sure to choose the Gmail integration specifically so you're connecting the right Google service. When you find the Gmail integration, select it and click Connect. This will begin the setup process between ClickUp and your Gmail account. At this stage, ClickUp is preparing to link the two platforms so they can work together more smoothly. Next, choose the Google account you want to use for the integration. If you're signed into more than one account in your browser, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. After that, approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow ClickUp to communicate properly with Gmail, which is necessary for the integration to function as expected. It's always a good idea to briefly review the permission screen so you understand what access is being granted. Once you approve the permissions, the connection should complete automatically. If everything goes through successfully, Gmail will now be connected to ClickUp and ready to use. If the connection doesn't complete right away, try refreshing the page or repeating the process carefully to make sure each step was followed correctly. That's all it takes to connect Gmail to ClickUp. It's a quick setup, and once finished, it can make your workflow more convenient by helping your tools work together in one place. Thanks for watching.